Hey guys, welcome back to another EDC update. I'm EDC Gunner, you're watching the channel EDC Watches. I had to switch the name because of the YouTube has gone politically correct. Too much for my liking. But you can find me on Rumble. Also, I have a backup channel which is FN Watches. I'm a watch guy, I talk watches, so without further ado, this is my watch. I've been wearing this watch for this month, like 2 weeks. And 2 weeks I've been away from home. I've been wearing the G-Shock for my work. This is a GBD 800. I love it. I love this guy. Let me just show you. I love the glow in the dark feature. Anyways, has a step meter, pedometer. It counts my steps while I'm working, and yeah, great. And now I'm a blue collar worker away from home. And this is my when I get back home watch. This is my IWC pilot's watch. I did a couple of videos recently. I got this summer actually, and I just love it. I think it's so underrated. And the reason I'm wearing a jacket, it's not that cold, but it's finally that time of the year, best time of the year, where you can wear a jacket and I have pockets for all the gear. And yeah, one big issue is that I'm still looking for a perfect wallet. I've been looking and investigating. I want to get the Belroy, the one that has a concealer. I'm thinking about slim sleeve. That's a front pocket wallet, and that one that has a hidden. I don't know what you call it. I forgot. Anyways, I learned about that Belroy company watching. I've been investigating some wallets. The biggest problem with me, we do get a lot of coins in Europe, and I like cash, and I want a front pocket wallet, card holder, minimal footprint, and I want to pack everything into it. So that's the problem with me. So I have this is a pop of leather wallet card holder that I switch between. Sometimes when I'm home I'm using this, and when I'm out there working I have, let me show you. I'm gonna get up. I'm not wearing any pants, so but I have a jacket, so don't worry. I have here my wallet. This has been my champ because it packs everything in here, and I can put everything, the money I have for the company, and for the gas and for everything. And it's great wallet when you are away from home and you're using it for utility, actually, for money, for cash, for everything. And can store receipts in there because I don't have a file to walk around with me and something. Just toss it in my pocket, and I store receipts and everything for the company. Anyways, so this is my working wallet. I have here in my pocket. Also, what else do I have? I have some pen, some sort of pen. This is Pilot G2. Love Pilot pens. I keep losing them and I keep stealing them. So yeah, I have this wallet. It's kind of thick. It's a thick leather. I definitely do recommend Papa leather. This is the best leather finish and everything. It's thick to thick. The phone, I had issues with my phone with the phone case for iPhone. Check out my previous uploads. I bought a iPhone original leather case for iPhone, and after like 7 months of use this summer, the cover on it just went bonkers. So it's nothing like this wallet. It's artificially covered. So what I did, I decided to remove the cover with the nail polish remover and remove the cover, and now it kind of looks okay. It kind of looks worn with patina, but not the cover I wanted and originally purchased. So I would not recommend you buy iPhone leather cases unless it's black. I was contemplating between some other companies, but that would meant I would have to order and wait, and iPhone I just went to the store and bought it. So that's why I did it, but never again. Do not recommend iPhone leather case. So in my other pocket, I love this jacket. I love leather jackets, but I have two interior pockets here and there. So this jacket is awesome. I have here sometimes I have my passport in this here jacket, and also I have earpods, but this is a budget cheap version. I got this. Brand is called Hama. It's a German brand, and I got this at the local store that sells electronics. And I have a little dragon here tattoo because I bought the same headphones for my wife. These are actually decent because the battery life, it's advertised 28 hours. I never measure it, but I don't really need to fill them. So it's a good battery life. The sound quality, noise cancellation, isolation, 0. Sound quality, it's good for YouTube. That's why I'm using it when I'm working out there, and when I'm away from home, I watch a lot of YouTube. So I need someone just to talk. The sound quality for music sucks. Noise isolation, 0. But they're decent enough, and I like them. I don't like the idea of spending $300 for earpods because I need to buy my watches and save money for watches. Anyways, they work. The battery life is good, and that's all I need. Knives. I have this is beast of a knife. This is a Manix 2, Spyderco Manix 2, and just look how big this is. This is a beast of a knife. And Austria is pretty lenient when it comes to knife laws, so I've been using this. It has a axis lock, I believe. I went out of the knife game, but I love knives. But I stopped watching all the knife reviews somehow. I don't know why. I watch more Joe Rogan than knife reviews. But yeah, beast of a Spyderco. If you just want to buy one Spyderco knife, a Manix 2 is what I recommend, with the G10 scales, and yeah, CPM S110V steel, and the coolest thing about it is the Golden Colorado USA. I got this as a gift, and will always be grateful to you, and whenever I use it, I think of you, even though we haven't heard each other for a while. I'm thinking about you, so you know who you are, so thank you very much. And this is my beater also, and this one road trip I got this in a giveaway from the Fat Man, Chad Spearman. You can find him on Instagram. Great man, and this is a buck knife, buck bantam, I believe. It's a great knife, sharp as a razor. Haven't been using it much. It's a lightweight. This is a affordable version, but it's a great knife. So buck bantam. This was like 20 bucks in Walmart, I think, but it's definitely worth it. I would buy this if there were knives like this in my local Bingo. My Walmart is named Bingo. Yeah, no kidding. But yeah, this is my big impressive knife. This is a beast of a knife. Definitely recommend it. And yeah, what else do I have for my yeah, I have a lighter. Always in the winter time I have a lighter in my car and bucket, and I like to smoke occasional cigarillo. Yeah, here and there. Yeah, I like that. And here I have Phoenix E12. I think I have a cigarillo here. Yeah, got this in Austria actually. These are super cheap, but for coffee, not bad. Blonde, it's called. First time seeing it. It's from Austria. They smell okay. They burn okay. So yeah, usually I have a Zippo when I'm home, but yeah, I'm not home. I work. Ouch. I work away from home now and in different countries, so it's different. Flashlight always is a must. I removed the pocket clip. I need to put it back there, but I need to find it first. So yeah, I suspect it could be one of my backpacks, but yeah, Phoenix E12 AA, single AA flashlight. That's really confusing, but yeah, one AA flashlight goes in there. I like AA's and conventional batteries because of the accessibility. Go somewhere, every drugstore, department store, supermarket has AAA's and AA's. So yeah, in my other pocket I have here, see, I have pockets. Here I have a Victorinox. This goes into my jeans pocket, and this one stays in the here in the jacket pocket, but I cannot put it in my jeans pocket because I'm not wearing any pants like all the YouTubers. Don't you know that the YouTubers do not wear pants? Anyways, that was it. That was my EDC. I think I missed something. Yeah, I have my sunglasses always with me, but I left them in the car, my wife's car actually, and she refuses to bring them back to me, and I refuse to go and pick them up. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. This has been an EDC update, and see you on the next one. Yeah, I've been looking to buy extra flashlights on my keychain. I have a Phoenix flashlight. I think it's starting to die out a little bit, but yeah.